Okay, can you read this one?
Alphabet.
Okay. So you are going to choose the word here. Just like this. We already see the alphabet, so we are going to cross this one. Okay? So now, Min An, how about this one? What do you think is this?
Eight.
8. And can you see where is the correct answer uh in this word? Is it a cross, a letter, question, number, sentence, stick, or words? What is the correct answer?
Yes.
Okay, can you choose which one is the correct answer here for this one? Is it
Yes.
okay? Can you choose which one is the correct answer?
Yes.
Okay. Can you choose the correct answer here? Is it the cross, the letter, question, or number? Which one is the correct answer? Is it a cross, a letter, a question, or number? What is the correct answer for this one? Ah, okay, teacher will reveal it to you. This is a number. Just like this one, you're going to write this one because this is a number.
Number.
Okay, number. So teacher will crush out this. So what is this 8? Is this a letter or number?
Number.
Okay. Okay, so you already know it. Okay, so how about this one? What is this? This is a
P.
okay. So what is the correct answer here? Is it a letter or cross?